In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a progress bar in Notion, step by step using a simple built-in feature that most people overlook. Progress bars are incredibly useful for tracking tasks, habits, goals, projects, or even study progress. And the best part is, you don't need any formulas or complicated setups to get started. If you're new to Notion or you've been using it for a while and want to level up your dashboards, this tutorial is perfect for you. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if you find this helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, tutorials, and productivity guides. All right, let's get started. First, open Notion and go to the database where you want to add a progress bar. This can be a task database, a habit tracker, a project tracker, or any table-style database you're already using. Once you're inside the database, look at the top row where all your properties are listed. Next, click on Add Property. This will open the Property menu where you can choose what type of data you want to add to your database. From the list of property types, click on Number. This is important because Notion's progress bar is actually a visual display of a number value. After selecting Number, the new property will appear in your database. Now click on Edit Property to customize how this number is displayed. Inside the property settings, you'll see different display options. By default, it's set to show numbers, but what we want is a progress bar. So here, click on Bar. As soon as you select Bar, Notion will automatically convert this number property into a progress bar view. You'll also notice that you can customize how the bar behaves, including the maximum value. This allows you to control what counts as 100%. For example, you can set the max value to 10, 100, or any number that fits your workflow. Now, the final step is to actually use the progress bar. Go to any row in your database and add a number in the progress bar column. As you increase the number, you'll see the bar visually fill up in real time. This makes it incredibly easy to see progress at a glance without opening each page. You can use this for tracking how many tasks are done, how far along a project is, or even personal goals like reading or workouts. And that's it. You've successfully created a progress bar in Notion using just a number property and a simple setting change. It's clean, visual, and super effective. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.